Welcome to this video about program management domain interactions. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe how the 6 performance domains interact, define challenges that must be addressed. Performance domains work together to achieve a desired outcome. The 6 program management performance domains are interdependent and operate concurrently throughout the duration of the program. This video explores how these 6 performance domains interact with each other and highlight the challenges this interaction poses for program managers. Strategic initiatives are crafted to improve financial success, drive process excellence, enhance employee motivation and performance, and delight customers. Strategic alignment is not just limited to projects, but to everything that the company does. Forward-looking organizations develop a strategic vision to prepare the organization for tomorrow and to manage the current business operations. A retail business that wants to improve its sales and customer experience pursues a strategy to leverage technology for a more personalized shopping experience. The IT team of the business, aligned with the strategy, develop an app that allows customers to record their transaction records online and also capture their reviews via meaningful feedback forms. The app allows the retail business to understand consumer behavior and target the consumers more efficiently. In addition, the information helps the business optimize its inventory. Business cases outline methods to achieve the vision, while benefits management plans predict the value derived from accomplishing strategic initiatives. The benefits management plan identifies, monitors, and tracks benefits over the project lifecycle, often as the project is completed. Governance frameworks describe how a business will execute programs in compliance with industry and internal standards and regulations. Governance frameworks align project efforts with the organization's strategic goals, increase accountability, and improve risk management, thereby increasing the quality of project deliverables. Lifecycle management is central to program management. It ensures that all performance domains are addressed and integrated across the definition, delivery, and closure phases. Effective collaboration is crucial for satisfying all performance domains. It ensures strategic initiatives are communicated, benefits are realistically forecasted, governance is applied, the program lifecycle is managed, and all stakeholders work together towards a common goal. The program manager must engage stakeholders effectively throughout each phase of the process. Stakeholders include anyone who can affect or be affected by the program, ranging from top executives to project team members responsible for key tasks. A technology company is planning to launch a new product in the market. The R&D team of the company is unable to meet the product development timeline because of technical difficulties. Meanwhile, the marketing team has already started an advertisement campaign based on original timelines. The scope of the project expands as the sales team requests additional features to meet customer demands. This leads to higher costs and resource strain, as key engineers are now required to work additional hours to meet the company's goals. Integrating the 6 performance domains is a complex task that poses several challenges for the program manager. Here are some common challenges and strategies to mitigate these risks. Misalignment of strategic initiatives and program goals. Unrealistic benefits forecasting, compliance and governance issues, integration across lifecycle phases, ineffective collaboration, stakeholder engagement issues, resource constraints. Strategic initiatives may not always align perfectly with program goals. This can lead to confusion and conflicting priorities. Review and adjust program goals periodically to ensure they are in line with the organization's strategic initiatives. Conduct alignment workshops with key stakeholders to reaffirm shared objectives. Additionally, be aware of changes that could impact the company's vision. Some benefit forecasts may be overly optimistic. Overestimating the benefits of strategic initiatives can lead to disappointment and loss of stakeholder trust. Utilize data-driven forecasting methods and involve subject matter experts to provide realistic estimates. Evaluate artificial intelligence (AI) tools when appropriate and regularly update benefits forecasts based on actual program performance and market conditions. Adhering to complex industry and internal standards and regulations can be challenging and time-consuming. Develop a robust governance framework with clear guidelines and compliance checkpoints. Regularly train team members on compliance requirements and conduct internal audits to ensure adherence. Ensuring seamless integration of all domains during the program's definition, delivery, and closure phases can be difficult. Implement an integrated program management information system, or PMIS, that provides visibility across all phases. Conduct regular integration meetings and use checklists to ensure all domains are addressed during each phase. Poor collaboration can lead to miscommunication, duplicated efforts, and missed deadlines. Foster a culture of open communication and teamwork. Use collaboration tools, such as a Program Communications Management Plan, or PCMP, and platforms to facilitate real-time information sharing. Establish clear roles and responsibilities to avoid overlaps and ensure accountability. Engaging a diverse group of stakeholders with varying interests and expectations can be challenging. Develop a comprehensive stakeholder register and program stakeholder engagement plan that identifies key stakeholders, their interests, and their influence. Use regular updates, feedback loops, and tailored communication strategies to keep stakeholders informed and engaged. Limited resources, including time, budget, and personnel, can hinder program progress. Prioritize initiatives using established prioritization methods such as must-have, should-have, could-have, won't-have, or Moscow, and allocate resources based on strategic importance. Implement resource management tools to optimize resource allocation and track utilization. Ensure contingency plans are in place to address unexpected resource shortages. In this video, you learned how the 6 performance domains in program management, strategic alignment, benefits management, governance framework, lifecycle management, collaboration, and stakeholder engagement interact with each other to achieve a desired outcome. You then learned about some of the challenges this interaction poses for program managers. The common challenges for implementing performance domains are misalignment of strategic initiatives and program goals, unrealistic benefits forecasting, compliance and governance issues, integration across lifecycle phases, ineffective collaboration, stakeholder engagement issues, and resource constraints.